Skylar. Run, Skylar, please. What are you doing, Sky? Say hi, Brooke. Say hi, Brooke. Don't eat on there, Sky. Don't eat. Run, Skylar, please. Run. Can you run? She says, leave me alone. Her got cratch. Here, cratch your head. Cratch your ears. There's Katie's horse, Hank, Brooke. There's Skylar. She's walking around, wagging her tail. Skylar, wheeze? Get out of grass, Skylar. Don't eat the grass. Get out of the grass. She said, no, Skylar, wheeze. Not in the barn. Little fart. Uh-oh, I gotta go get her, Brooke.